So in this video, I'll take you through how to quickly set up a contest using the Facebook AliG contest generator to generate a contest for your Facebook fan page. And so the very first thing that you should do is to actually have a Facebook fan page. And here I have created a test page just for this purpose of demonstrating how to get a contest for the fan page. So this is just a test page that I've created for this purpose. And the second thing that you have to do is to go to developers.facebook.com and create a new Facebook app. And so click on apps, apps on Facebook, and so click on apps, and if you haven't registered as a developer, you should do so. Accept the terms, yes, continue, and just check whatever you think is appropriate. I'm just gonna do web over here, video host, other, what type of apps do you plan on doing, apps or pages in my case, continue, and that's it. You're now a Facebook developer, and then done. So now you can go ahead and create your app. So now let's give it a name. Let's say contest only. Okay, valid. You can leave the app namespace blank. Category, you can use the default. And I just click continue. And the CAPTCHA, just to prove that you're a real person. Yep, so now your app has been created. And do take note of these very important pieces of information: the app ID, the app secret, because you'll be needing these when we get to creating your contest page. But first of all, you have to turn off sandbox mode. So to do that, you just click disabled over here. And let's just click Save Changes. So now you can see that this app is now live. Alright, so let's head to the AliG Facebook Contest Generator login page and just log in with the details that have been provided to you. So click on the Create Contest button at the top, and let's give a name for the title of the contest. So maybe my first contest. For the background type, you have a choice of, you don't want an image, you want to upload your own image, or you go with a library, some images from the library. So let's just do that for this example. Select from library. Maybe I'll just choose this one. Apply. The background style. There's a few of them. I mean, the best way to find out what they do is just to experiment. In my case, I'll just leave it to scaled and centered. And the color, you can change the color, but I'll just leave it as a default. The content box, yes. If you choose no, then all these options disappear. But if I choose yes, then you can choose, the different settings for the box around your content. And again, I'll just leave it as default. Now the content padding, this is the number of pixels from the edge to your content. So 10 is a good number. The light button, light color and dark color. So the light color is the color towards the top of the button. So for example, if I choose, say, this color, you can see that it changes the top light color, the bottom color. It obviously controls the bottom color of the button. Content transition. Again, there's a lot of options, and I won't be going through all of them. I'll just leave it as it's the default. You can experiment if you wish. And the link color, the color of the links in the content box. So in this case, it's white. FFFFFF. Points color, the color of the points shown at the top of the contest page, and I'll show this to you when we get to the contest page. Now, the first thing that you want the user to do when they get to your contest page is to say, they have to first click like before they can access the content, and then you can specify the options for the like: border width, radius, style, border color, and also if you want to automatically get those users into your list, you can do so right here. If you choose FB Connect, you can also choose use ShareGet, which means that when they click on the Facebook Connect button, this status will show on their newsfeed, and also on the newsfeed of their friends. So their friends will know that they have actually used this contest app. In this case, I'll actually leave it to no, just to make things quicker. But for autoresponder, I will choose my Aweber list, which I have already created a list in Aweber for this purpose. So final test list at aweber.com. Now, points for joining. So remember we talked about the points color. So this specifies the color of the font of the points that the user gets just for joining. Let's say we give 10 just for joining the page. And if the user decides to invite friends, he'll get an additional 10 points. Okay, so we get down to the Facebook integration settings, and it says Facebook defaults to sandbox enabled mode for new apps. You must disable this to have your app display normally. And remember, we've already done that, so that's fine. So app ID. So let's head back to our Facebook app that we created, and here's the app ID that you need. Paste that over here. Now secret, which is over here, and let's leave these for now. We'll come back to this later, but for now we'll simply save changes. Okay, add to Facebook. Okay, so again, so you've got a few things. App domains, so aligmarketing.com is mine, and I shall simply come here, paste that here, app domains. Now for canvas URL, let's copy this as well. Now click on app on Facebook, canvas URL, paste that in. Secure canvas URL, which is this one over here, paste that in as well. And also, what's the next thing? Page tab URL. So that's over here, page tab. So URL, and also, also the secure page tab URL. Oops, sorry, wrong one. You can leave this page tab edit URL alone, but for the tab name, you should give it a descriptive name. I'll just do contest. As you can see, this is the user-facing title of your page app, meaning that this is the title that they will see right here when we create our app. So let me demonstrate that. So if I give it contest, you can also give it an image, and you should give it an image, but for this example I'll leave it blank. Page tab width, normal is fine. Oh, okay, now that's fine. So if I then come back here and I say add to Facebook page, now I can choose a page to add my contest app to. As I told you before, I've already created a test page. Add contest only app, and as you can see, it takes me to the same page that I showed you. So here it is, the name of the app that I just specified back here. Remember? Oops. This one, contest. So the tag name is contest, and that shows up here. The next thing you should do is come here to edit page, and then edit settings, go to apps. Now find the app that you created. So in my case it's this one. Link to this tab, copy the entire link, go back to your content generator, under your dashboard, edit settings, and paste that link here, and then just save changes. So that's all done. So now if I come back to my test page, and if I click on contest, you can see, alright, so it takes a while to load. Yeah, here it is. Thank you for liking this page. And this corresponds to, if I go back to my dashboard, this message over here on my LikeGate content. So I could change this to something else if I want to. Let's say I have an image, and then specify the URL to my image. So in this case it's step1.jpg. Click insert. I think I need to save changes. And if I go back here and I click refresh, you can see that it updated immediately. So let me see what happens if I click like, and you can see that that took me to the next kind of page, which is the connect page, so which corresponds again to under application settings. So this is this bit over here, connect content. So it's blank, so there's not much text here. Now if I click connect, it says connect contents only will receive the following info: public, profile, friendlies, and email address. Now let me click OK. Congratulations, you now have 10 points. If I click invite my friends, it comes up with a list of friends I can potentially invite, and if I do invite them, I'll get points. But I won't go into this in any more detail. Just know that it's a feature that's there that you can potentially use. The last thing I want to show you is what happens if I log in to my Aweber account, and I just want to show you that the email address really did get captured into. Okay, so if I look for all subscribers added today, see, this is me. This is my email. The status is confirmation pending, which means that that I actually need to because it's double opt-in, so I'll have to click on the link in the confirmation email in order to be opted in to this list. Now also, the other thing I want to show you is if I head back to my dashboard and let's on users, I want to see that that I got added. So you can see that it succeeded in capturing me when I click like, and I can also view the details when I join, right? And the points that I had. So you can see that it all works, and so I hope that you follow this video and to get your own contest up and running on Facebook. Now there's probably a few different steps and you might get a bit confused along the way, but you can always come back to this video and follow through one step at a time. So hopefully you got a lot out of this, and thank you for watching.